Do you want to make AI videos of you kissing your crush? If yes, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to create these videos completely free. I've tried 10 to 15 mobile apps, but all of them are paid. So, we'll use a free AI tool that works on both mobile and computer. There are only 2 simple steps. Step 1. Create the image. You can see I have 2 separate images. Let's say one is mine and the other is my crush's. However, both images have different backgrounds, which looks odd. To fix this, we'll place both images on the same background. First, we need a realistic background. Search for a background on Google and download one you like. Next, remove the backgrounds from both images. For this, go to remove-bg.ai. Click Upload Image to upload your images. Within seconds, the background will be removed. Then download the images for free. Repeat this process for the second image. Now, open any simple photo editing app. I'm using Photoshop, but you can use any app you like. Place the background removed images onto the new background. Adjust the shadows to make it look realistic. Once done, your image is ready and we can move on to the video generation step. Step 2. Generate the video. Go to haleoi.video on your mobile or computer. Click on the Sign In option and log in with your Google account. This tool gives you 100 free credits daily. From the left menu, click on the Create option, then select Image to Video. Upload the edited image you just created. In the text box, type the prompt, hugging and kissing each other. Click the button to generate the video. Since many people use this tool, it may take 3 to 5 minutes to process depending on the queue. You can close the tab if you want, and after the time passes, your video will be ready. Here's the result. This is how you can make an AI kissing video completely free. I'm using 11 Labs voice for this video, and I'm using it for free. Check out this video to learn how I did it. I'm sure it'll be worth watching.